Okay. Again, good afternoon, students. So mainly we talk about the use of financial documents. This is a most important and our like a final part of the financial thing. So financial management, is mainly consists with the all facts and figures, numbers. When you're dealing with numbers, these numbers are always people. A lot of people are there. They are looking at numbers and mainly they're concerning about these numbers. Some numbers are there. Some organizations are really concerned. For example, income tax department. Huh? um, the income tax department always looking at your the profit figure because they want to find out the proper taxation and everything. And the other problem, the mainly our bankers when you are looking for a opportunity, we are looking applying for a bank loan. Bank managers mainly looking at our SOFP, our income statement, right? And potential investors. If I have share market, I'm investing. I'm mainly looking at the financial statement, the bottom line, how much they're earning, what is the return on investment, return on capital, ROCE. Like this, always a financial document. They have so much of facility because it's the language of the business. Financial document is a kind of a communication method, communication tool. So therefore, the financial management always deal with this documentation and verification and reporting. So the reporting is really important because accountability, because business this is done by the managers, they are the real players of the organization. Their performance, everything was recorded by the bookkeepers or accountants, and after that they are going to interpret this into different stakeholders, and the stakeholders are using these numbers, the summary of the organization, then they will be able to uh, take some decision about the organization. Like that, yesterday we talked about some case studies, Oja building case study. We find out this company was actually in a situation of a bad liquidity situation by looking at the total current asset figure, there is deteriorating. The cash position is going down. But last first 3 years, they have okay, they are very good job they have done, but current liability situation was rising. Therefore, they kind of a little bit like a tough conditions rising because this organization they are expecting to connect a supplier, contact a supplier, but supplier is expecting okay without before make the decision. He asking, can you give me a last couple of your financial statement? This is a scientific decision making. By looking at that fact, the supplier decided not to give the goods on credit because of this lack of liquidity problem, liquidity issues we can reveal from the financial statement. And after that, he decided not to support. And mainly second one, I guess is the Park Farm Food. The other case study, the owner he wants to actually earn a 500,000 profit for the year, but unfortunately because of the rising competition, he unable to make it. He actually can see profitability gone down from 344,000 to 201. Therefore, he decided to retire. Like that, business winding up decisions also can be taken from this, but you have to think about other factors as well. What is the current situation of the economy, right? What is the current situation of the market? What is the current competition level? Even the higher competition, still you can survive. You can cover the cost and everything. So before you go into the shutdown process, before you're asking for a shutdown decision, you have to think about that factors as well. And also we talk about the mainly internal stakeholders who likes to use the financial document, mainly managers and employees. Mainly managers and employees looking towards their salary, what the return they can taken from back from the business, their salaries, bonus, salary increments, and especially job security. These things can be assessed by looking at the financial statement, by looking at the revenue, that they can get an idea, this business actually increasing the revenue, they increase the profit. Therefore, there is no doubt, there is no risk for us. Like that, organizations are mainly concerning these factors as a managers and employees. They're mainly looking towards the career development and progress, the job security and everything from the financial statements. And as a second stakeholder, owners and shareholders. These owners and shareholders mainly looking at the bottom line of the organization by from the financial statement, how much of net profit, how much they are earning, the performance of the financial, the organization and the financial position, how much the liquidity and business. Mainly two factors, liquidity and the profitability. They can compare this thing with other years. If it is improving, that means it is good, because if the liquidity is improving means that's a good point. If profitability improving means that means they are encouraging to invest more, they encouraging to expand more. Like right? As an owner and shareholder, whether if it's a sole trader or a multinational company, shareholders or owners, sole trader, both of them actually like to have a like to be in a an organization which earn more profit, right? They like to invest in organization with a there's a good positive outlook. That's why a prosperity organization. That's why organization owners and shareholders are mainly looking at to get higher dividends from them. And as an external stakeholder, there are so much of external stakeholders, mainly starting from the bankers, suppliers, and the public corporations like government, media, competitors. There are so much of there are different viewpoints are there regarding the company. Banker, their main objective is to actually they are going to find out is whether this entity, this organization is a risky one or not. If it is risky, it's not. That means their liquidity portion is bad, their current debt position is high. The we call the liquidity situation or gearing position of the organization. How much loans they have. If the bank manager can decide this business is okay, they can pay and they have enough collateral, they have enough non-current assets to pay. So without bankrupt, so then organizations, financial organization, leasing companies, finance companies, they might like to uh, give the support. Even the joint ventures, partnerships, business angels, everyone when looking at these figures with the ability of their organization to repay. Supplier, like a previous the OJA case study is mainly talking about the thinking about the ability of repayment again. Therefore, the supplier will be satisfied if you can repay your loans back with the loan, with the interest and everything on time. And there are so much of decision making organizations are there, other insurance companies and finance companies and uh, other competitors. They might like to compare your results with their results. They like to compare with you, and then sometimes the income tax department always they're looking at this. They request you to send your financial statement with the proper tax calculation. These things are there. Okay, look at this case study. The pharmaceutical corporation, uh, Biblington Pharmaceutical Corporation. Biblington Pharmaceutical produced drugs and medicine for the Southeast Asian markets. The shareholders expect 10% return on the capital employed, ROCE 10%. The use of the accounts each year to check whether this is a target has been achieved. In this case, you can see uh, Table 32.3 shows some financial information for Biblington Pharmaceuticals, which has been taken some of the accounts. So you can see revenue 2013 to 16. You can see there's a improvement, especially 15, but again there's a drop in 16, 45, 47, 79, 47. Operating profit, you can see there's a like a decline situation 3.9, 4.1, 4.1, 3.16. ROCE level is you can see first 2 years okay 11.1, 11.4, and 15 10.9%, 8.3%. I told you ROCE if you can maintain about 10%, right? You can see here case study also mentioned shareholder expect 10% ROCE for the business. So if you can maintain about 10%, that is good, which means 2013 to 415 they able to achieve that target, but 16 they unable to maintain 10% return for the shareholders. So this kind of practical question how to solve. So what is the main reason why the owners of Biblington Pharmaceutical use accounts? Discuss whether Biblington Pharmaceuticals has reached the targets set by the shareholders over the time period shown. So when you answer in this question, so you can see the organizations are mainly looking at the financial statement, the financial position, and mainly profitability. You can see by looking at the financial statement, you can find out only the profitability of the organization and ROCE of the organization. You can see the first 3 years it was rising, right? First 3 years it was rising, but you can see the last year 2016 it was really bad. So as a result of that, what happened, the organization sometimes may be disappointing by looking at the last figure because they haven't made the 10% the ROCE target. Okay, so this case study mainly, the pharmaceutical company also. So that is mainly like a mainly drug business. That's really important. Pharmaceutical companies mainly operating under fast-moving consumer good because the industrial is not industrial item. It is a consumer good. Everyone need right medicine. Medication is important, right? A lot of people they have, especially these days, no. A lot of people they need but difficult to go to hospitals and doctors because of sometime no the virus has improving, growing fast, and increasingly you can see the everywhere you can see the spreading diseases. Therefore, medication is really important thing. So, but this case, what happened? Suddenly, the demand for the medication gone down. How can that be happen? That means something wrong with the pharmaceutical company. Yeah? So, this kind of aspects are there. Sometimes financial things can be. You can find out some non-financial aspects of the organization. Also, you have to mainly concern what happened to the industry, because industry has a inelastic demand, which means organization as a organization, the demand is not actually changing over the time period. uh, is always you can see the pharmaceutical industry demand will only increase. But this case what happened, the organization, the demand for this one, I think the revenue everything going down. What's the reason? You have to think about that thing. Okay, so Biblical Pharmaceutical, I'll share you the currently the marking scheme for this question, the Edexcel mark scheme. You can see what is the main reason of the owners of the Biblington Pharmaceuticals use accounts. You can see the answer. Uh, it says the owners of the business will obviously be interested in the performance of the financial position of the business, performance and the financial position. Shareholders in limited companies will also be interested in the performance of the business. They may look at the size of dividends, and they may use ratio analysis to see how their investment in the business is performing, right? And they might also take comparisons with other companies in the same industry. That's why they are comparing their performance with the other industry also, same industry, other pharmaceutical companies. Then they mainly looking at the dividend, size of the dividend, that means the return of the profit share they are giving, and uh, they want to use this ratio analysis to see how their investment in the business is performing. Ratio analysis, we complete that chapter. And then they might also make comparison with other companies in the same industry. Keep in mind same industry, because pharmaceutical companies can't compare with automobile because it's a slow moving, this is fast moving. So same industry, only pharmaceutical. In this case, look at the application. The shareholders of the Biblington Pharmaceuticals set targets for return on capital employed should be aimed to be 10%. There, always use that word in your answers also, like this 9 mark questions, 12 mark question. Always use the, when you're writing application, write this word in this case. Okay? Write the numbers even in the case study. Do not try the same thing in the comprehension in the case study. Write in your own words. Write in the numbers, numericals, the figures, the product names, location names, people's names. These are the application points that you can improve your standard of your answer. To get the 10% on capital employed, and the use of accounts each year will check whether this target has been achieved. Okay, second question they ask in discuss whether Biblington Pharmaceuticals has reached the targets set by shareholders over the period shown. So you can see the first 3 years okay, but last year not good. You can see, according to the information table 32.2, the return on capital employed has exceeded the shareholders' target. Yes, they only expect 10%, but first 2 years it goes more than 10% first 3 years. Look at the numbers. Except 2016, they mentioned, especially in 2016, ROC only 8.3%. Although this is below 10% target, it may not be too disappointing. Look at the word they're using. May not be too disappointing. For example, it may be acceptable if trading conditions were difficult during this time, and it is possible that the performance in 2016 was caused by unusual circumstances, and that in the future trading conditions will return to normal and the performance of the business will improve. Like that. So look at the evaluation at the end they given. These trading conditions were difficult during this time. 2016, there will be, can see more than 2016. I think 2020 will be difficult trading conditions for all of us. No, it was caused by unusual circumstances, like unusual. This case, I think, because of the unusual 2016, there was a unusual circumstances. I can't remember what is that. Mainly, 2008 there was an economic crisis happened, but 2020, I think we can't forget this year, remarkable year, right? So year of survival. Ne? So everyone want to survive this year without making the expansion and everything. That's why trading conditions will return to normal and the performance of the business will improve. So that's why they're thinking it's caused by unusual circumstances, external factors, and in the future, trading conditions will return to normal. When you're also expecting this situation will be returned to normal, and the performance of the business will improve. So this is how everyone's hope actually to start our normal life, ne? Back to normal. Okay, so that's how you have to answer for the questions like this. So take this seriously, uh, and you can find out other using financial document to inform decision making. Business will be make better informed decisions if they have access to financial documents, right? Since the financial documents contain quantitative information, they can be very helpful in the decision making process. There are two categories of information is there. We are doing like market research also like that. No? We can classify information into two categories: quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative means numericals, numbers. Right? Qualitative means something opinions, attitudes, and everything. They can be very helpful in the decision making process. For example, managers may need up to date financial information to help run the business and make key decisions such as those outlined below. So, how this will be help for the managers, especially funding decisions. Look at the funding. Uh, Especially finance managers, they have two main decisions to take: funding or financing. Other one is investing and financing. So how you obtain the money, how you spend the money. So funding decision means access to relevant financial information can help to predict when more money will be needed by a business. For example, details of the current assets and current liabilities can be used to calculate the liquidity ratios to see whether the business needs to raise short-term funding to boost working capital. And also, if the business is planning to expand, it can cause the statement of financial position to see which type of funding might be most appropriate, right? Most appropriate. For example, if the statement of financial position shows the business already has high level of non-current liabilities, it may be more appropriate to raise funds by selling more shares. You can see now if you have more loans are there, lot of loans are there, debt capital, then better to use equity capital. Right? If you have a less loan, then better to go for loans because sometimes selling shares, sometimes it will dilute your ownership, dilution of ownership. That means risk of losing control is there. Therefore, that's why it always takes some kind of judgment. So organization has to appropriately need these funds and everything, selling shares. Alternatively, if they have a high level of cash resulting from the build-up of retained profit, it might be used to fund the expansion. Sometimes, if you have a large amount of like a funds are there, like retained profit in the banks and everything, better to use that. Why are taking a loan if you have cash in hand? Right? Let's say you have 1 million deposit is there in the bank, then why you need to go for loan? Right? Because loan you have to pay more than that. As you take a 1 million loan, then you have to, after settling down, you have to pay like 16 lakhs, 1.6 million with interest. But if you take only the so right now only the 1 million that from the retained earnings, you are only using that 1 million only, and you can save it back as it is. You can without paying any interest. Funding dishes are really important. That's another thing. Financial information documents will helping to take that thing. So especially bankers, they need this thing. And the one is reducing cost. How financial statement reduce cost? Yeah? How financial statement reduce cost? A business might use statement of comprehensive income to analyze cost. For example, by comparing the gross profit margin and the operating profit margin over a time period, a business can assess whether costs are under control. Costs are under control. If the gross profit margin is rising and the operating profit margin is falling, this would suggest that the business expenses are increasing. Therefore, managers might examine the different costs to help identify problems. These things are there to reduce the cost of the organization. Sometimes, like cost cutting process, like this time we have to do that kind of thing. A lot of organizations actually in a process of reducing cost in order to survive. That's the only thing they can do. They are always planning the methods. How can they reduce the cost? Can they reduce the electricity? Can they reduce the staff costs? Can they reduce the overhead costs? They're taking everything. These things can be taken by looking at the financial statements. You can find out whether which amount is more higher, selling and distribution no, administration expenses or financial expenses. If selling and distribution expenses are high, we can take, okay, this year we are not going to do any marketing, right? So you can see now, if you watch television and everything, you can see number of advertisements fall. Yeah? You can see the only advertisements on the televisions are only for multinational companies. You can see only Anchor, Neste Malt, all multinational companies, Frontera and Unilever. This one and the Nestle, all multinational companies, they have money. Their marketing budget they still maintain. But all other small companies, you can see there is no advertisement. Why? They can't pay. They don't want to do that advertisement because why? They don't know. They, example, can you see single hotel advertisement? No. Can you see single restaurant advertisement? No. Can you see single textile advertisement? No limit advertisement. Can you see single advertisement from any textile? So much of I think this is a because this is like a Christmas season, no? November, December. So this time you can see so much of promotional campaigns going on. But can you see this time those things? No, you can't see. Why? They reduce the cost. They save that money, right? This is a situation like we call hibernation. Hibernation, like you save your energy, you save your cost because this is a bad time, right? Like normally they are doing in the winter season, right? Hibernate, eat lot and then sleep during the winter season. And when the summer season comes, he wakes up and he finds the food at that time. Like the business organization also like a hibernation time this time. All the return profit they have to save, and then only you can actually go for a good trade, right? So mainly this kind of thing. So today actually I really happy to have I think we have only today also only two students absent. So anyway, but I'm happy about your attendance today because today we have 18 out of 21, three students still absent. So as I told you, please be responsible with the attendance uh, because we are doing like a very such important lessons uh, for your life. Think always this when you are learning. This is not I'm listening and I'm learning this not only for my exam. This is actually you can take something to your life in future from this, right? Because this is a business, the real world we're talking about, not like a rocket science. Huh? So we are not. I'm talking about. I'm not talking about Isaac Newton or Newton's or Fleming's or any other. I'm not talking about any theory. I'm talking about practical business world. How to take the practical decisions. Therefore, listen this carefully and take something. I know some people are there when I'm they are taking your notes sometimes. Take down these important points somewhere. They're writing, I know. So be proactive, right? Work hard. I know everything a very difficult time for everyone, but always think positively, right? We can survive this, and as a organization, this important. This lesson also always think like that. You can actually. This is a life subject and then life science. So future also you can use this knowledge. Then you can absorb nicely this knowledge to your mind and memory. Long term you can keep this knowledge uh, in your memory. Right. So cost cutting, reducing costs, we can use the financial statement. We can analyze what are the areas we have spent last year, and then we can find out how to reduce those things. And if we spend, like example, I take an example as a marketing department. If our marketing cost is high, we can think, okay, now we no need to do any marketing. We'll reduce that part. Okay, so transport cost is there, so in order to put that transport cost, because why everything lockdown curfew, how can we transport? So we can all that shipment cost we can reduce, insurance cost we can reduce, all that like a fuel expenses we can reduce. So cost cutting sections are there, so we have to plan it properly in order to face these situations. Another thing is increasing profitability, the third one. You can decide by looking at the finance statement actually how to increase the profitability, how to increase the performance of the organization, right? So for example, for a nice example, when you start athletics, right, first of all the coach will be doing some few practical tests with you, right? What is your normally find out your the BMI level, your height, your weight and everything, the body mass index and everything. And then coach will give you a schedule to plan to work out, because with this level, this BMI level, you can't perform that much. Then what happened? First of all, you have to train well. to make your body required for that sports. For example, if it is like a sprinting event, 100 meters or something, you have to be most fast, right? I mean, it's a event like uh, rowing or something. You must have good like a muscle power. Football, you must have good stamina. Huh? Same thing for rugby, football, basketball. Always you have to run here and there. No? Must have good stamina level. So always coach always want to improve your that level, stamina level. And a lot of students are here doing sports. So business also same. So you can be a consultant, you can be a coach to a business, and then you can think what is the current situation, what is the problem, what is the symptom, what is the business level, how can we actually right reconstruct this business process re-engineering, right? Reformations. Business consultants are these are the things they are doing. Example, like you can give future, you can be consultant, right? Learn this. One day we might be a business consultant. So these things you can advise for a business organization by looking at the financial statement. This is like a report. Yeah? This is like your ECG report or blood report and everything. So financial statement. By reading the financial statement, we can find out whether what is the point that you have to do the medication. What are the symptoms? So profitability can be improved, help to find the ways of making profit. For example, if the gross profit margins are small in relation to competitors, gross profit margin I told you small for a lot of FMCG sector, fast moving consumer goods selling organization, gross profit margin is low, right? Compared to others who are selling slow moving items like car sales and everything, their gross profit margin is really high because they are slow moving. It may be because prices are too low or cost of sales are too high, therefore, prices can be raised or new suppliers might be found for raw materials and other key resources. Perhaps wage costs need to be controlled more tightly and profitably might also be improved if revenue are falling behind those of competitors. For example, perhaps a business should try to find a new market to help increase their sales, like overseas. Hmm? And finally, to from this point we'll wind up. So investment decision. So investment decision is also a really important thing, like future investment. Not only this, not to reduce cost, not to increase profitability. For investment, also we need to have the financial statement. Whether we can find out, do we have enough resources to invest? Do we need always businesses have to have some investment like real estate and everything, properties. Uncertainty is there. We never know that we don't not sure that whether the investment project will be generate return in the future. The future is very difficult to predict. However, the information in the financial document might be help managers to assess whether the using is strong enough to take a risk. Example, if SOFP shows the business has high level of cash, a modest level of debt, and this suggests that the investing in new venture might be appropriate. But if you have lot of loans to settle and you have low levels of assets, then what happen? Not better not to invest. First of all, try to settle the loan, and then what happen after get rid of the loan? Try to invest more money. Okay, so